Why consider ARD alignment? For companies under common management or ownership, aligning annual review dates, ARDs, with ASIC can streamline compliance efforts and simplify administrative tasks. Here's what you need to know about syncing these dates effectively. Applying to align your annual review dates can be beneficial if your company, or a group of companies, shares certain characteristics. ASIC allows companies to apply for a common ARD if they have a common ultimate holding company, a common office holder, a common responsible entity, or, in some instances, exceptional circumstances based on merit. If your companies meet any of these criteria, they may be eligible to synchronize their ARDs, making compliance simpler and more organized. To apply for a change in ARD, you'll need to complete ASIC Form 488. This form, along with the required fee, must be submitted to ASIC in hard copy. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete to avoid processing delays. Choosing a new ARD, however, requires careful consideration. If the selected date leads to an overlap within the same financial year, it could result in double annual renewal fees for that year. Important considerations. This can be an unexpected expense, so we advise companies to plan their ARD change carefully. One key point to remember: ASIC will not adjust ARDs purely to assist an agent with workload management. Only companies meeting the specific eligibility criteria will qualify for ARD alignment. If you have questions about Form 488 or need support with ASIC compliance, Company Changes is here to help. We provide expert guidance to ensure your application process is smooth, efficient, and compliant with all ASIC requirements. Contact Company Changes today to learn more. Let us handle the complexities of ASIC compliance, so you can focus on your business growth. You can call us on 02-9684-4199, or you can also email us at sales@companychanges.com.au. Thanks for watching.